Why would anyone choose something designed to make coffee, to create flowers? After years of crafting paper flowers, I still find myself returning to coffee filters. And today, I'd like to share the reasons why. At first glance, coffee filters appear to be ordinary, thin, plain, and disposable. However, these unassuming items hold remarkable potential for crafting beautiful floral decorations. One of the standout features of coffee filters is their ability to absorb color beautifully. When dyed, they transform into soft, delicate petals that can resemble real flowers. Their forgiving nature allows crafters of all skill levels to experiment without fear of making mistakes. Besides, they are incredibly affordable and accessible, available at local grocery stores and dollar stores, eliminating the need for specialty craft supplies. Crafting with coffee filters invites a world of creativity. Creativity doesn't always depend on expensive materials. Sometimes it starts with considering commonplace items in new ways. When people ask me why I use coffee filters for flowers, my answer is always straightforward. They vanish once the flower is complete. You can no longer see coffee filters. So instead of focusing on the filter itself, anybody looking on, viewers, are captivated by the stunning transformation of the finished piece, seeing what a coffee filter can become. In the end, coffee filters might seem like a humble choice for crafting or making paper flowers, but they possess unique qualities that make them ideal for creating beautiful floristry. I invite you to embrace your creativity and discover the art of transforming everyday items into extraordinary creations. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Here at Andrea's house and All My Ways, we believe creativity is more than making things. It's a way of healing, expressing, rebuilding, and finding beauty in ordinary moments. Whether through sewing, storytelling, paper flowers, thoughtful reflection, or simple everyday inspiration. I hope you leave here feeling encouraged. If that sounds like the kind of space you've been looking for, you are always welcome here. Until next time, keep creating, keep hoping, and take gentle care of yourself.